Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss steady state errors and error coefficients for different types of inputs and different types of systems. So let us consider first type 0 system. So you know what is type 0? Type 0 means there is no poles at the origin. Let us consider consider g of s h of s is equal to k into s plus z1 into s plus z2 divided by s power 0 into s plus p1 plus s plus p2. So this is a general form of type 0 system. Z1 and Z2 are zeros and P1 and P2 are poles. So we don't have poles at origin since it is s power 0. So I'll give one example. For example, g of s, open loop transfer function g of s is equals to 20 by 20 into s plus z s plus 2 divided by s plus 4 plus s plus 6. Here you have poles at s equal to minus 4, s equal to minus 6, but there is no pole at the origin. So this comes under type 0 system. So for this kind of type 0 system, we'll consider the steady state error values, coefficients and steady state error. So let us consider first step input. So what is the Kp value? So Kp is limit s tends to 0 g of s h of s. If it is a unity feedback, h of s will be 1, then Kp value is limit s tends to 0 g of s. So if I substitute s equal to 0 in this type of system, what I'll get, my g of s h of s will be, if I keep s equal to 0, this is already equal to 1, so here it will be 0, here it will be 0, here it will be 0, here it will be 0. So I'll get k into z1 into z2 divided by p1 into p2. So finally I'll get some constant k dash. So when s equal to 0, for type 0 system, the Kp value will get some constant k dash. And what is ESS? Steady state error, ESS is given by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus Kp, that is nothing but 1 by 1 plus k dash. So for ramp input, we'll consider for ramp input. For ramp input, you will get Kv, velocity error constant Kv, so which is given by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. Kv value for ramp input will get steady state error quotient Kv, which is velocity error constant Kv, which is given by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So now if I substitute s into g of s, I'll get g of s into, if I substitute here in this formula, one more s is there, so s into k into s plus z1 into s plus z2 divided by s plus p1 plus s plus p2. So in this s, if I substitute equal to 0, so 0 into something, it will be 0. So Kv value for ramp input for type 0 system, I'll get 0. And what is the value of ESS? Steady state error is given by 1 by Kv, which is nothing but 1 by 0, which is equals to infinity. Similarly, same way for parabolic input, I'll consider for parabolic input. For parabolic input, we'll get acceleration error constant Ka, which is given by limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s. So here my limit s tends to 0 s square, my g of s is k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s plus p1 s plus p2. So I have s square, so limit s tends to 0, if this s square, if I substitute 0, this will be 0. My steady state error constant, acceleration error constant will be 0, and steady state error ESS is given by 1 by Ka, which is equals to 1 by 0, which is equal to infinity. So for type 0 system, Kp value will be some constant and ESS is 1 by 1 plus that constant. For ramp input, Kv value will be 0 and ESS is 1 by 0, that is infinity. For parabolic input, Ka is 0 and ESS value is infinity. So in the same way, we'll consider for type 1 system. What is type 1 system? Type 1 system means I have only one pole at origin. So example, g of s equals to general form. I will take general form k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s into s plus p1 s plus p2, so on. So this is general form for type 1 system. See, I have one pole at 0, one pole at minus p1, one pole at minus p2. So I have one pole at origin, so this is s power 1 is there, so this comes under type 1 system. So for type 1 system, we'll find out different error constant. For step input, I'll get Kp value is given by limit s tends to 0 g of s. So if I substitute s equal to 0 in this, so something by 0, I'll get infinity. So this value will be infinity. Now ESS, what is ESS? ESS given by 1 divided by 1 plus Kp. So 1 by 1 plus infinity, 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. For ramp input, Kp is given by Kv. For ramp input, we'll find out velocity error constant Kv. So Kv is given by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So here, if I substitute here, so limit s tends to 0 s, g of s I will substitute k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s plus p1 s plus p2 s. So this s gets cancels. So later on, if I substitute, what happens? I'll get s equal to 0. I'll get some constant k into z1 into z2 divided by p1 into p2. Some k dash constant I'll get. So Kp value will be some constant k. So and ESS value is given by 1 plus Kv, that is nothing but 1 by k dash. So next, for parabolic input, I'll get parabolic input, I'll get Ka. Ka is given by limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s. So limit s tends to 0 s square, my g of s is k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s into s plus p1 s plus p2, so on. So what happens? This I have s square in the numerator, in the denominator have s, so this 1s and 1s in the numerator will get cancelled and the remainder is only s here. So if I substitute s equal to 0, this will be 0 into something, I'll get 0. So Ka value will be 0 and ESS is given by 1 by Ka divided by 1 by 0, which is nothing but infinity. So for type 1 system, for step input, Kp value will be 0 and ESS will be Kp value is infinity and ESS will be 0. For ramp input, Kv value will be some constant and ESS value will be 1 by Kv. For parabolic input, Ka value will be 0 and ESS value will be infinity. Next, we'll go for type 2 system. So what is type 2 system? Type 2 system means we have two poles at origin. So general form of type 2 system, g of s is equals to k by s plus z1 s plus z2 so on divided by s square into s plus p1 and s plus p2, so on. So in the denominator we have s square, means we have two poles at origin. So what are the poles? S equal to 0, s equal to 0, s equal to minus 1, s equal to minus p2. So in the denominator we have 4 poles, so out of which 2 poles are at origin since s square is there. So this comes under type 2 system. So for type 2 system, for step input, what is kp value? Limit s tends to 0 g of s. So since we'll substitute s equal to 0 in this, something by 0 will get infinity. So and ess value is 1 by 1 plus kp, so this is 1 by 1 plus infinity is 0. Now in the same way we'll go for ramp input. So for ramp input we'll get kv. So kv is given by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So this is also will get limit s tends to 0 s into k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s plus p1 s plus p2. Here s square is there, so 1s and 1s in the denominator will get cancelled, only one s is remained. Something by 0 will be again infinity, so this ess value, kv value will be infinity, and ess is 1 by 1 plus kv, which is nothing but 1 by infinity, which is 0. Now for parabolic input, we'll get acceleration error constant ka, which is nothing but limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s. So s square is there, so limit s tends to 0 s square, that is k into s plus z1 s plus z2 divided by s plus p1 s square s plus p2. So here in the numerator and denominator both s square is there, both will get cancelled. After substituting s equal to 0, here will be 0, here it will be 0, here it will be 0, and the final value for ka will be some constant k into p1 k into z1 into z2 divided by p1 into p2. So and ess value is 1 by ka, which is nothing but 1 by some k dash constant. So these are the for different types of system, for different inputs you will get different types of steady state errors. Let us consider this all as a tabular form, and we will see for which input, for which type of input, which type of systems will get. So first I will take type 0 system. Type 0 system is 1 by s power 0, means there is no pole at the origin. So for that, what is the value of kp? You will get some constant k, you will get, and what is the value of ka? You will get 0. What is the value of ka? It will be 0, and kp will be a by 1 plus k, and ramp input ess for ramp input will be infinity, and for parabolic input also infinity. Now for type 1 system, so type 1 system 1 by s, there is one pole at origin. So what is the value of kp? Kp value will be infinity, and for kv value it is k, for ka value it is will be 0, and here it will be 0, and for ramp input ess will be 1 by k, and for parabolic input it will be infinity. So next for type 2 system 1 by s square, means two poles at origin. So kp value will be infinity, kv value will also be infinity, and ka value will be some constant k, and ess value this will be 0, and ess value for ramp input will be also 0, and parabolic input is 1 by k. So based upon this table we have to remember the steady state errors which we are already derived. So you have to remember here, as my type of a system increases, the steady state error value going to increase, or it is going to infinity. Constants will go into infinity, and steady state error will be 0. So for type 0 system, as the system inputs increases, my steady state error will go to infinity. So we'll go to problems. We'll go to first problem. Now we'll go on the problems. What is the first problem? This is the problem in my question bank which already provided to you. That is problem number 16. A. K into s plus 2 into s plus 3 divided by s square into s square plus 8s plus 15. So for this, what we have to do? We have to find the steady state error constants or coefficients. Please, constants and coefficients are same, don't get confused. And also we have to find out steady state error for unit step, unit ramp and a unit parabolic input. So let us see. So they given the open loop transfer function g of s for unity feedback. So h of s is 1. H of s is 1. So can you tell me which type of system it is? It is type 2 system since you have s square. So first of all we have to find out static error constants. What are static error constants? Static error constant is, one is positional error constant kp. The value of formula for this one is limit s tends to 0 into g of s. Let us substitute this. Limit s tends to 0, my g of s is k into s plus 2 into s plus 3 divided by s square into s square plus 8s plus 15. So since s equal to 0, if I substitute s equal to 0, this is 0, 0, here also 0, so something by 0 is infinity. I'll get infinity value for this ESS. So next I'll find out kV. So what is kV? Next steady state error constant kV, that is velocity error constant. So for this, limit s tends to 0, s into g of s. So limit s tends to 0, s into k into s plus 2 into s plus 3 divided by s square into s square plus 8s plus 15. So here 1s and 1s will get cancelled. Still one more s is there. So if I substitute limit s equal to 0 in this equation, so something by 0, again I'll get infinity. Next constant will go to steady state error constant Ka. What is that? Acceleration error constant. So for this formula, limit s tends to 0, s square into g of s. So here limit s tends to 0, s square k into s plus 2, s plus 3 divided by s square plus 8s plus 15 into s square. So here s square will get cancelled. Later on, if you substitute 0 here, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. So what is remained? The remaining is k into 2 into 3 divided by 15. This is 15, this is not 18, 15. So what is the value? This is 6k by 50. Right? So we get only Ka. Since it is type 2 system, the constant value as we derive the expressions for type 2 system will get constant for which only Ka. And what is steady state error value? 1 by K. So 1 by Ka or 1 by K. So that is ESS will be, you will get reverse of this. So we'll find out steady state errors for unit step, unit ramp and unit parabolic. So for unit step value is A. So for unit step, what is the value of steady state error for unit step? A by 1 plus Kp. So you have ESS is given by A by 1 plus Kp. So we got Kp value as infinity. So we'll get A by 1 plus infinity. So something by infinity will be 0. Next, for unit ramp input. So unit ramp you have A by S. So constant A you will have, and but ESS value is also again you have KV value as infinity. So steady state error is A by KV. So A by infinity is equals to, so since you have taken unit ramp, so here you have take 1 by S. So this is also unity. So you have T which is equals to 1 you have to take. So you will get 1 here. Sorry. So here also you'll get 1 by infinity, which is 0. Next is unit parabolic. So unit parabolic is 1 by s square. So ESS is given by 1 by k Ka. So we already got Ka as 16k by 15. So 1 by 6k by 15, which is nothing but 15 by 6k. So this is the value. If the inputs are non-unit, so we have to take it as some a value, and we have to do it. Okay, so we'll go for one more problem. This is the problem number 19 in the question bank. The open loop transfer function of a unity feedback control system is given by g of s equals to 20 divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 5. Find the steady state error and when it is subjected to the input r of t is equal to 5 plus 3t into 2t square. So for this problem we'll solve this problem. A open loop transfer function of a unity feedback control system is given by g of s, and he is asking you to find out steady state error when the input is subjected to r of t 5 plus 3t into 2t square. Here in the input you have complete three types of inputs. One is step input, this is 3t is ramp input, this is 2t square is parabolic input. So my input is combination of all the three. Okay, so for all of these three we have to find out steady state error. So how to find out this? So let us solve the problem. First you have to find the steady state error constants. So what are steady state error constants? One is Kp. So what is the Kp value? Limit s tends to 0 into g of s. So limit s tends to 0, g of s is given as 20 divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 6, s plus 5. So in this there is no cancellation. This is type 1 system. So if I substitute s equal to 0 in this, so something by 0, I'll get infinity. Okay, so next I'll find out another constant kv. Kv is given by limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So that is limit s tends to 0 s into 20 divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 5. I am substituting g of s. So here in the 1s and this s will get cancelled. Later on if I substitute in this s equal to 0, I'll get 20 into this is 0, so I'll get 2 into 5. Please, this is plus symbol is there. 0 plus 2 means 2, so I'll get 2. 0 plus 5, so 5, so 5. So 20 into 2 into 5, so I'll get 10 sir. This is 5 1s are 5 2s sir. So my kv value is 2. Kv value is 2. Next I'll find out Ka. So what is Ka? Limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s. So I'll substitute limit s equal to 0 s square. What is g of s? 20 divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 5. So s square and s will get cancelled. So one more s is remained here. So if I substitute s equal to 0, so 0 into something, I'll get 0. So Ka value is 0. So Kp value infinity, Kv value 2 and Ka value 0. Now I will find out steady state error for the input r of t is equals to 5 plus 3t plus 2t square. So ESS value is given as, for this is first step input, a by 1 plus Kp. Next, this is which type of input? This is ramp input. For ramp input, a by kv. Next, this is parabolic. So what is the general form of parabolic? A by 2 into t square. So a is into t square. So in this form it should be. So you have 2t. So I will convert this 2t square like this, 2 into 2 divided by 2 into square. I am multiplying and dividing the numerator and denominator into 2, so that I'll get 4 by 2 t square, because to get into the standard form, a t square by 2. So I'll get now 4 by 2 t square. So t square by 2 is a form for parabolic and 4 is the a value. So here I am multiplying and dividing by 2 to get into this form. So my a value is 4. So now my a by kv, ka is the steady state error. So this is, I'll take a1, a2 and a3. So what is a1 value? 5. So 5 divided by 1 plus kp. What is kp value? I got infinity, plus a2 is 3, and kv value I got 2. Next a3 is 4, and ka value I got it as 0. So this is complete ESS formula for steady state error. So this 5 by 1 plus infinity is infinity, 5 by infinity is 0, plus 3 by 2, plus this k by 0 is infinity, something by 0 is infinity. So overall I'll get infinity. So ESS value for this input for this system is infinity. So steady state error value is infinity. So thank you. So I request all of you to solve the other problems in the question bank from problem number 16 to problem number 22 in the question bank which I provided. Please solve all this as an assignment 3. Thank you.